Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a little weird because this is my first time recording with my new camera. I just recently bought the Sony A5000 and so far it's really good. So I figured I use this camera to open up my Curlbox that I got for February. So if you're interested, please keep watching. This is the Curlbox. This is my babies that I get monthly. Curlbox is a monthly subscription that you get for $25 and you get a line of products or different kinds of products and, you know, hair accessories and stuff like that. So let's see what they got for February. So the theme for February is called Woke. This is what it comes with. And it breaks down everything that it brings inside the box. We have the brand Curly Chick, but let's see what it is. This is the creamy leave-in conditioner. It smells good and looks kind of thick a little bit. It smells good though. Thought I had some on me. And it brings a light holding styling gel. And it is clear. It's a little like gel, like actual gel. And next we have the Curling Cream Firm Hold. So these are all like curly hair friendly. So let's see the consistency of this cream. So they all pretty smell the same, kind of like orangey. And this is the Curly Cream Vitalizer. It's like a moisturizer. And next we have a brush. A styling brush. Our very own Curlbox styling brush. I've been wanting to get the Denman brush, but it's just like always sold out whenever I like go to try to purchase it, like in Sally's or even online, and I can't seem to purchase it. But I got a styling brush. Currently not for now because I have these braids in, so I'm not gonna do it today, and I'm not gonna try the products anytime soon. But yeah, so it's not much a review, it's more to show you guys what I got. And this and our brush. So that's all we got. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.